Hi, my name is Shramana Mitra. I'm the founder and CEO of 1 Million by 1 Million, the world's first and only global virtual accelerator for technology startups. Our mission is to help 1 million entrepreneurs reach $1 million and beyond in annual revenue. And we are real believers in bootstrapping with a paycheck. There are lots and lots and lots of people out there who are exposed to really interesting technology, skills, and problems that can turn into very interesting businesses. But in your attempt to do that, you have to learn startup methodology. And we believe the best way for you to learn that is through case studies. So we have brought into our program thousands of successful entrepreneurs who have brought in their case studies and their lessons from the trenches. You can access them through 1M by 1M Basic and 1M by 1M Premium. Our curriculum is firmly rooted in case studies and the journeys of successful entrepreneurs, teaching you, offering you their lessons from the trenches.